Abusia me ma wakwaba nsamra power extra so biem wa wani tia ne atwagu nko na yede ebesom Blackstar aba abedru fia anisa na Ghana nyumtini dance hall artist Samini abusia kama say ba football dia your mind nyina akoma if say Blackstar your mind nyina edia nti empono Samini twa playing de call Cote d'Ivoire say no kwa support Blackstar na nim kwase oman no Blackstar de gu oman no ama celebrities ni bebre ana abusia kasa kwadun kansa le win abeka ne de na Samini nso abusia de wo yawo akasa na ni jane de wato de ama Blackstar goalkeeper no pa abusia yenko yenche ho kwa yenko na yenko tie Samini ninsem ni bi.
Yeah, Kwabena Bimpong, you were the first to come on here. Besto, Evans, Ibrahim, Dapa, Albert Desk, Kwabena, I see you. Adam Komale, Samuel Mensah, see you. Israel Maestro, Kwabena, yeah, Julius, Samuel Mensah, see you. I see all of you. Big up high grade family in the building. Joseph Osam Kabu. If you want to break the ice, you Joseph, you won't come ask me how me I see the match yesterday. Joseph. Okay. Joseph, the Monday Stadium. Monday Accra way. You see, one thing they bore me, one thing I hate is when you're watching a Ghana game with your fellow Ghanaians and you have a Ghanaian guy sitting next to you telling you, oh, they go score Ghana, oh, they go score Ghana, hey. Those people, when Ghana they play ball, then they do a low against, no. I tell you for free, all those people, if it them they bleed past me, if it them my heart break past me. I swear. Don't make those people fool you. Don't make those people make you feel like patriotism is not good. Don't make those people make you feel like it's yawa for you to have that heart and that sentiment for your national team, because they no get liver when it day to take a loss and to learn and come back stronger. So they will give up, defend, to come with them as against Ghana. You people, you be our people. The people when Ghana they play ball, you day around, they watch the ball. Where you they propagate, say they go score us, they go score us, they go score us. No, you day among way they score us. You fool. Those people, when they say word, sound, and power, apart from the fact that I know that the boys should or could do better, could try their best and do better. The bystanders who kind of, because they love Blackstar so much, so now they hate Blackstar's performance. So now they want to tell you, they want to remind you that we want more. You show more. You show more. You show more. You show more. Today, you show more. No, you mean so. You until we walk catch them say you show more. My friend, I for cool down. One question, they say how you see the game last night. See me, oh. If it then break pass. Those people, when they do, oh, Ghana will lose. You better Ghana, oh, Munkai, you better Ghana. Obwa, the yam shino. Only on your bema. The yam shino, only vim, only levantino, or any home, or per se, or prepare na. Like or preparing your home for that bunny. It's no yes I tell you, you say I tell you say they go score them. I tell you, okay, oh yeah, I told you so. Na yeah then. Oh yeah, I told you so. No, and yeah then. It be sick of few people with me I left Ghana. Sick of the you better Ghana for no. With me I left, Charlie. I left. I carry jerseys, Charlie. Carry jerseys, bro. Carry the jerseys. Bro, right after our 2-2 with Egypt, where I tell my boys, say me, I forgo the Ivory Coast there because we get lost. We get lost, right? And where we get draw. So now, I know, say, regardless of anything, if we push ourselves, we will get a win. Do you know that the Egypt game was a 2-0 game, but for the stupid blunders that happened before the game ended, one from Inaki Williams and one from the other guy in the number 11 jersey, those two people gave away 2 free goals. Then we come back to meet Mozambique. Mozambique. The last time you hear Mozambique, then it be school book inside. Mozambique, if they ask you capital, you don't know. Tyrone, Omar, it is well. Ibrahim, good morning, brother. Watching you from Charlotte, California. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Charlotte crew. I was there through Charlotte, through Silver Spring, through all them other places. I think, was it the Unplugged in 2016? But yeah. Big up Charlotte crew. So like I was saying, so I told my guys that, Charlie, me, I go Ivory Coast. Because from the way the thing they do. Pamford, I see you. Tell Waki say they forgot that for a year. Matter day. Charlie? Yeah. Slow connection, but yeah, we did. Then play ball past Ghana. Yeah, the people play ball, they play ball. Charlie, I say, Ghana man, you dey Accra, you dey rush. You dey rush plenty. You don't go anywhere. You don't see anything. You dey rush. Somebody dey Accra where he thinks say Accra fine pass you, Abidjan. Somebody they sit Accra, he thinks say Accra fine pass Abidjan, and Accra people their eye open pass Abidjan. Bro. Here they know they put baller for street, they know they put baller for roadside. Bro, everywhere clean. Everywhere clean, bro. And everywhere is green. Them are trees, them are lawns, them are pavements. Yo, bro, that be one thing I will give them. One credit I'll give Abidjan. Now I get why the time our parents they grow up, we hear say our uncles be, some people they go Abidjan, some they go Lagos, some they go, yo, these are big cities. When you're there, Accra, humble yourself. Okay? Good morning, Samini, watching you from Manson, Amenfi. Big up at Manson, Amenfi. Do the total shutdown of the Black Star. Yo, I agree with you, bro. I think it's about time that a whole overhauling is done to the entire management and staff and the team. Because a lot needs to be done. A lot is at stake. And people's hearts. Yesterday, somebody collapsed for the stadium there. Somebody collapsed for the stadium there. From London, your boy K. Big up K. PK. What's up, PK? What's up, PK? Charlie, tell me how you felt about the game. Because me, I brought jerseys. See? Classic jerseys. 1, 2. This one where I went park yesterday. 2, 3. Yeah, see my socks, Seth. See my socks, Seth. See my socks. See my socks. Charlie, man vex, oh. Man vex. I don't know what I do say for now. They come beard. I don't know what I could do, Charlie. I say the people where they say they go score Ghana, they go score Ghana. Every time Ghana they play ball, you say they go score. One of these days, somebody go chop slap where you go turn you counter back matter. They should sack everyone, including the staff and swear. Yeah. Mighty please, Chelsea give us some pressure every weekend. We are used to it. Charlie, this no be Chelsea matter. This no be Chelsea matter. This no be EPL matter, I beg you. Where Asanka day? I want to talk to Asanka about Mr. Odoi. Waki. I don't want to talk Mr. Odoi in matter. I don't want to talk Mr. Odoi in matter. I don't want to talk Mr. Odoi in matter. Mr. Odoi, I respect him. Yeah, Mr. Odoi, I respect him. You're doing part. Big up. You're a very respectable person. Very, very organized guy. Yeah. If you come out with the help, you fuck up the thing for Mr. Odoi. Oh. Charlie Waki, if you want to talk to Asanka, you know Asanka in number. Call Asanka in number. Asanka no day my room. Asanka no day my room. Ah. If you look for Asanka, call Asanka. Samini made me learn hard in school because in his Linda song, no, every teacher will come in class and will be like, okay, Mary, I feel feverish since yesterday. Mary, they sick. Mary, drink pito. Time is taking. What are you thinking? Boss, if team is not good, why won't other teams score you? Charlie, if team is not good, Mozambique go score you. Cape Verde go score you. Egypt, you know go fit play with them. Yeah. Egypt at their worst. Or anyhow, so Gilbert Abeku Musoma, you they laugh too much. You they laugh too much, they make the thing they feel like maybe we comedy way I decide to come do this morning. No be joke matter. Abeku, at day stadium yesterday. At the watch time, at the watch scoreboard, 2-0. Charlie. Then the guys do okay, cool. They are you in hand go pay for the wrong place we ball touch am. No problem. It happen. Them two they get one happy. What our goalkeeper go do? That keeper and idea if you doing face some way be like say some serious appearance is deceptive. You people don't make we take all these things learn. No. Charlie, the players tire. We need to find blend between local players and foreign players. Charlie, dog the foreign players safe. Dog the foreign players. Somebody like Kudus, they for stop worrying. What's his name? Salisu. They for stop worry those boys. Make they concentrate for their club and develop and become solid. They for stop worry them. Because what's the point? You stop them for what they do for them. You bring them, you don't camp them enough. You don't camp them for enough time. You don't hold them long enough for them to become a team that can gel. So then they come out there as people that have been gathered from different teams and are just together to represent the nation as like a I don't know, like an exhibition game or something. I don't even know. So you can't bring a team like that and expect to play against Equatorial Guinea or any of these so-called quote-unquote underdogs who have had football programs going on in their countries for the past 15-18 years. The keeper, it be Mr. Festus Adai-Brobe in friend with that. Okay. I see. Festus in party be the keeper. Oh, it be true. Elizabeth Gazy. Watching you live from Italy. That's Dominic Kofi. Big up Rollins Peter. But the goalkeeper should just retire respectfully. Richard Ofori. Richard Ofori. Oh, what be the name? All for real. Goalkeeper, all for real. Keeper. Okay, they didn't hand touch ball. Cool. They get one penalty, so them to the pull one back. Hey. Hey. What are you from London, bro? George and Pedro. Am I from London? See. I'm not from London, I'm a Ghana man, bro. Yeah, the family big like that. So yeah, we did different places. You know what time it is. Charlie, as I was saying, I dey watch scoreboard, I dey watch time. I dey watch time. As he say, hey, Charlie, be like this thing there, we win more. Be like my 2 goals where I say I bring, you know, there. Be like if foul. Kaka, now they foul now, but no matter 1. Oh, I got 5 minutes. All for real. All for real. All for real. On a more serious note, where then you dey go? Where then you dey go? Oh yeah, the keeper be a sorry down guy. No, a sorry down guy is for fit come out and disown him or make we know say you know from there. Otherwise, if you from there, Yawa place. I stop come there. You are going to come, but yeah, I know the places are going to go in since. Apart from Davuchi, them a house, and Festus, them a house there, and Nivea, them are there, and Puma, and 1+1, and which means I go everywhere for. That's why I don't go that too. You go hard though. I saw it down. Yeah, you see that's like the GHD there. You see. I said, yeah, the GHD there, my mom too did there. You know, fishbone cologne. You know, fishbone here grabber. That's right down with the central station. So we go hard, but you know, we go try our best. That I don't worry, because you go explain tire. Oh no, this one there nobody go feel explain. Me at the park, I say, like I was saying, 5 minutes to full time. We all watch the game. Linda Yandani. Oh, I'm sadder than you, Linda. We all watch the game. Can somebody explain to me why the guy go? See you. The guy go. He do like this. Wait, after he do that finish, no, he start raising hand, show the referee, say, I don't do anything, I don't do anything. You see him. You see foolish boy. You see foolish boy. You see foolish boy. I know say you people watch. I know, yeah, na, or then answer, yeah, but you see. But we na. Richard Ofori. Richard Ofori. Say now which born the da horse say who count time in na say ujimi the woba. Wankasa wo be hwe playback. Wankasa wo be hwe playback. Na we hu say eye jimi na wo ko jimi ye no. Me nye wo. Eye nkwase asem na wo ko di ye no. Enti onsa na wo de ka ball na wo nya hwe no. Hwe ana jemu. because me know him say enye wo po mu na ball na ba no. Oh yeah, sure, 100% sure. Say enye wo po mu na ball na ba no. So why you go to this one? See, see where I hang my me check right. Me check me hanging one bag. And right. Damn na say yebo. Okoye bo on say. Akwano okoye bo on say. No really no. Oh yes say on yeshi. Eba ne say na wo start ka say me yeshi because when we say wedding kwasi asem, where Jimmy Intina okoye sa na say na aba ne say all of a sudden you've come back to your senses and you are thinking, why did I even touch the ball in the first place? Yeah, I feel the keeper had some super bet of Van Dwell slip somewhere. That act looks suspicious. It be fucking suspicious act. It be fucking suspicious act, bro. What you mean? Bush goalkeeping. Be that. He messed up. Bo Manjo. You see, say no be me alone, no. Michael, why is Atizigi hurt? I mean, why is Atizigi hurt? I don't know. It's not normal, oh, poor match. Michael Asian, my big boss. With all due respect, this is why someone like me don't support Ghana when the last time. Charlie, I understand you, but you people where you know to support Ghana, no? When Ghana they play match, can you spare us with the yebeshemo no? Found kwasi yasem free because nken found ho sa nka yebehye no kra nkenya na obeka kire yen. Nkenya wo ya nka wo bleed already before me. Kenya na oba be kai me say yebehye me. Ama wa try say obe cycle ho akrokro wakoma a prepare say yebehye wo answer wa bo game no sa ye hye wa anhye wo nye wo na ye ka wo ye ka ye Black Stars. I was at Germany 2006 for World Cup, okay? Next 2 years will be how many years? That'll be 20 years. Ghana's first World Cup, I was there. I was at Germany 2006. I was in fucking South Africa 2010. Brazil. Nkameba be kona yesi omudi nkwasi asem ho ma sese ni ye pack ye scribe to play mudi akọ akọ mo money. So asem ni sisi ye na me twa so man kobi. I had my ticket, my visa, my everything. Yes, because Black Stars, wherever them go, they go there. I know they hypo. I know they go beat protocol, try go to team camp to go and try and be with these boys. No, I like to let them be. When I come, I be fan, I be supporter. I dey one side. I know they go camp to go try do Nshenimu and try and no, bro. But I go to every tournament, every international tournament. I did there. Sometimes I go out on my way to do Black Stars, forget Black Stars for now, and support my country, people, Niger. Oh, for sure, it'll be West Africa. It'll be West Africa. I'm in there for Niger still. I'm in there for Ivory Coast still. Even though Ivory Coast funny be yesterday, Ivory Coast funny be. You people lost by 4-0. And so because of that, you guys decided to vandalize other teams' buses and destroy buses and destroy things in town. I don't think it was a cool thing. But that is not to say every Ivorian is like that. So I think it's just some people that couldn't handle their disappointment and the frustration. But after all that they did, I think they actually qualified with some slim margin. With the anchi crowd. Sana Charlie, yesterday I suffer. Ghana for na omudi nkrofo echi bar stadium ho still saying say ye be share no. Ya share no. Omudi mechi no omoja me say we the anchi crowd. We the anchi crowd. Bro. Say me catch am say ye be share mo. Say me catch am. Me.
Yo abusian we ene ensem Samini Batman Samini de etu jana oyaw ene hawa no si filifano ana abusian de eba bontin na Richard Ofori de minim se Ghana fo so ni mu pan dia na ko no so obeti bi ahwiapa abusian ha ana ye de dwumadie no ebesi ye besrew subscribe to your channel no click the notification button no sene be ya anytime bia de bibia betum no won so wobetumi anya bi atie aha aye power extra